super duper hypest. Hey!
Make sure you don't forget it. Don't forget to mention.
That was nice.
Make sure you don't forget it. Once you start to feel it.
Super hype.
Hey. For my runners and my joggers, for my publicists and bloggers, from the dirt and ocean water to buildings across the border. I got lit, I got hype, I got everything you ordered. From the day to the night, we do things you never thought of. I be super out of touch. They say I do too much. I might run it up, so you know what's up. It's an easy flex, get your muscle up. It's electric rush, you should hype me up. Wanna be just like me, better do the right thing and be something like you, cause that's what the people need. Not about what you heard, it's about what I see. I don't have to go to sleep to get all of my dreams. Now we going up, shoulders full of dust. And just don't forget, pick your people up. Always on a flight, never home too much. We a busy bunch, it's a busy month. Here's the lesson about it, it's just economics. Once you start to get it, they gon' hear about it. Never stop your hustle, don't you cry about it. Pressure make a diamond, pressure only keep you shining.
Make sure you don't forget it. Don't forget to mention.
That was nice.
Make sure you don't forget it. Once you start to feel it.
Super hype.
Hey! Super hypest, yeah. We the super hypest, super hypest, super hypest, yeah. Know you see me shining, see me shining, see me shining, yeah. Pressure make a diamond, made a diamond, going diamond, yeah. Super duper hypest, woo.
Super hypest, yeah. Super duper hypest, yeah.
Super hypest, yeah. Know you see me shining, see me shining, see me shining, yeah. Pressure made a diamond, going diamond, yeah.
Super duper hypest.
the cold. You're gonna find my moves, I bow down to my feet. I'm gonna keep you chained with this melody. I got that power. Now fall to your knees. Oh, I got that power. Just call me a king. Now you will see it. I got that. Ain't no salvation that you're gonna find in me. I'm bringing devastation to all my enemies. I'll blur the lines between right and wrong. I'll keep my hook in you while you sing my song. And it goes like I got that fire. Now fall to your knees.
here we got a 379 day cab, 1999, 12.7 60 series Detroit in it, 400,000 on the overhaul. So about 20,000 miles since we put injectors in. Let's go around and show you what we did this truck. So we got a Lincoln Chrome 20-inch miter end bumper with tow hook hole, new grille. You got your Trux accessories inserts for your headlights. All the light, so like these are the turn signals on the outside, plus there's some turn signals in here. But all these marker lights on this truck, dual revolution to green. We got our top hats with our lug nut covers into our Talladega fiberglass front fenders with the 4.5-inch drop. These are available on our website. All the accessories on this truck are available on our website. Got the McDonald Chrome Shop badge on it. Breather lights. Got your stainless steel piece underneath. 9-inch Trux accessories blanks. Got the Trux accessories step box covers. This green, hopefully it's coming through good in the camera, but it kind of changes in the sun. It's a lighter color, a lot of metallic in it. But when it's not a lot of sun on, it's a little darker color. I think this way you can see it's a little darker back here behind the stack. So we did a silver on top, split the truck. Right here we got our Lincoln exhaust, 8-inch miter tops, 120-inch top pieces, one piece. You got your visor for the back of the cab here. We got the Fat Boy kit to give you a little more leg room. Button lights all the way across the back. I think there's 15 of them. I could be wrong. I think it's 15. All turn to green. So we got our new diamond plate deck plate, Trux accessories Airline Box. You got your tarp and your power button. Or you got your tarp and your power cord. Here we got Talladega fiberglass, the classic half fenders, painted green. Got polished wheels. Got polished 22.5s on here with your Trux accessories top hats. It was new rubber. We tested this truck out just a little bit. So we got our mud flap brackets and our center panel. Everything will be your legal color of red, but it'll also switch to green at night if you flip a switch. These are actually on sale on our website. We're not only cheaper than everybody else out there on regular prices, but you do a bundle deal and it saves even more money. So check that out on McDonaldChromeShop.com. So obviously, all the same stuff on this side of the truck. Up top, you got your Trux accessories lights, also the dual revolution to green. You got the Lincoln Chrome visor. We did a straight. It's a Darwin style flat to the windshield. All right, now I'll get inside the truck and show you what we got there. So we'll put new carpet in. We've got this one has, let me see, this is I believe the Sears seats. Yep, Sears seats, black, low riders. Got your screened radio up there. We got the Roadworks lights that go from green to white for your map light. There's a switch. Got the Trux ones there that go from red to green. We didn't go too crazy with the inside. Again, we're trying this. Figuring to be a farm truck or someone run it daily. We have the different toggle extensions coming for green. So, like I say, those will be green. The truck has 1.8 on the chassis. But like I said earlier, on the motor and stuff, it's on Obviously been overhauled and all that. Fat Boy kit, interior, floor. Peterbilt door that actually shuts. So there's the engine.